Archify allows you to search for products for your project designs as broadly or as specifically as you like. You can search for products in two ways: from the main Archify search engine, which is best used when you are looking for a specific product or brand, or from the Products tab, which is best used when wanting multiple product options to consider. Both search options can be found at the top of any page on Archify. When looking for products by the main Archify search engine, simply write in any keyword. This could be a product brand or company name, a product category, or even a specific type of product like vinyl floor. The whole Archify database will be searched and bring up any results containing your chosen keywords. It will display your search results broken down into our specific Archify categories to assist you in finding the exact result you require. When searching by the Products tab, you have the option of refining your search by our Archify categories and subcategories. This allows you to generate a number of search result options in a particular area of focus, for example, downlights in the lighting category. When you receive your search results on the product listing page, you have the option to sort by alphabetical order and newest added. You can also view the listing by the brand name. Clicking any product will take you to that product page, giving you more technical and specification information, as well as direct contact with the brand or company should you have any further questions about their product offering. To find out more about the company, you can simply click on the company name or logo. The company profile page will give you more information such as its product catalog, portfolio, accreditation, brochures, and contact list. You can also check out which projects the products have been used in through the product tagging page that's linked with the architect or designer's profile page.